Chris, a 12th successive win in all competitions, but you nearly threw it away.
Yeah, it was a exciting finish for the fans and the neutral on it. Yeah, but look, we're really disappointed with how we played for probably 60 minutes. And if you don't put the ball in the back of net, then you're giving teams a lifeline and an opportunity to put you under a little bit of pressure. So fair play to them. Yeah, they finished really strong, but main thing is we got over the line.
Tony, after the heroics of last week, you came within a whisker of a repeat today.
Yeah, I thought the boys were brilliant. Disappointing, conceding any goals against TNS, but 2 from set pieces is a big disappointment. But I got to look at the positives, and I thought the boys, to a man, were fantastic today in the second half. They couldn't do any more than they did, and yeah, we could have snuck a draw at the end, but it wasn't to be. But at the moment, our performances have been really good, and that's what we have to look forward to and maintain going into the rest of phase 1.
Jordan, 2 more goals today. That's 5 against Haverfordwest in 2 matches. You're flying.
Yeah, I've said it before. I just enjoy my football, and if I keep scoring, it's helping the team. I'm happy.
And you're top scorer in the Cymru Premier with 14, and I don't think you've won the Golden Boot yet.
No, I'm not really focused on that. I wasn't focused on that at the beginning of the season. I'm not focused on it now. I'm just focused on retaining the title and hopefully retaining the treble.
On another day, decisions going your way could have been a different story.
I don't think there's any point in me talking about decisions anymore. I can't wait to see that one laid on with Benamoon and the challenge from behind that was deemed play on. It's just one of those things. We have to get on with it. I have to stop getting booked all the time and just keep sending emails, I guess, and see what comes of it.